Hi everybody, this is Danielle and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make challah bread. Just to let you guys know she's doing well. I know a lot of you guys were worried about her after her last video, but I promise you she's doing a lot better. She's safe and she's good. And so yeah, we're gonna make some challah bread. Let's go.
Hello! Today we are going to be making challah bread.
Okay, so just as a quick side note, it is pronounced challah bread, not
Challah bread.
that.
The first, you need to prep your ingredients. That means scooping them out and putting them in separate bowls or leaving them in the containers that you had them in before. But either way, you need to prep, which means you need to measure. Do you know how to measure? I think you know how to measure. The second step in this process is going to be you need to put in the dry ingredients that you have already prepped in the bowl first. And then you need to put the wet ingredients into the bowl first.
Do not put them in the other way around, or I will find you and murder your family.
The third step is you need to mix them together until you get a dough ball, a ball full of dough. Do you understand what that is? That is a dough ball, a ball of dough. Because you prepped and then you put the dry ingredients first and then you put the wet ingredients and you did it in that order and now you have a dough ball. The fourth step is going to be you need to put a wet paper towel or wet washcloth over that shit and let it rise for 30 minutes, exactly 30 minutes. Alright, now the fifth step is going to be you're going to take that dough ball that you prepped, put the dry ingredients and wet ingredients in first, and created a ball of dough that you let rise for 30 minutes or a little bit longer if it needed it. You're going to take that and you're going to cut it into 6 pieces. Make sure that the pieces are even. You do not want one big ball and then one small ball because that would just be really weird to look at. The sixth step is now that you are going to take your 6 balls that you have and you are going to roll them out into strips. Now what I mean is you are going to take them like the Play-Doh and you are going to make a long slug out of it. Now step 7 is very complicated. You need to make sure that you are keeping an eye on what you are doing. Be sure to be watching the video because at this step you are going to be braiding the dough that you first prepped, then put the dry ingredients, then wet ingredients, turned it into a dough ball, let it sit for 30 minutes or a little bit longer, cut into 6 pieces and rolled into your fabulous little slugs. You're going to be making it into a bread now. And then you are going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. That is very hot. Very hot. 350 degrees. And cover with paper towel. No specific time limit here. Now you are going to take 2 egg yolks. Just the yolks, not the whites. Throw the whites away. Or use them for whatever the heck else you would use whites for. Quite frankly, I don't really know, but you're going to take 2 egg yolks and mix it with 2 teaspoons, TSP, teaspoons of water.
You're going to evenly brush it over the bread oh so nicely.
Step 10, you're going to bake that shit for 25 minutes or however much time after that you would like to bake it for if you don't think it's done after 25 minutes. After you take it out of the oven, you are going to slather that bread with 1/4 of a cup or a half of a cup of butter. Now make sure your butter is melted. If you just put a stick of butter right on the bread, it's not going to come out very evenly and it's just going to look weird. You weirdo. Now you bake it for another 10 to 20 minutes. Or until it's done. Really, it's up to you. But the first couple of steps you need to follow exactly.
Okay, so the bread's done, and to end the video off, we have a special guest, and this... Hello! We have Amanda here on FaceTime with terrible internet, so she looks like a robot. Look at that. Okay, so that's our challah bread, and then there's Amanda.
Alrighty, that is the end of the video for today. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys later!
Okay, bye-bye for now. I hope you enjoy your lovely Challah braid.
Before we end the video, I wanted to do 2 shout outs for some content creators that you guys should go check out. The first one is called TheMochiBoi, and you can follow him on Instagram and Twitch, and he is a Twitch streamer, gamer. His streams are super funny, super entertaining. Highly recommend going to check him out. The next one is Consciouszombie. You can go and follow him on Instagram, and you can find his EDM music on SoundCloud. He's going to be coming out with a couple new projects soon, so you guys should totally go check that out and get ready for his new releases coming soon.